Have you ever sat down to do one important thing, then somehow ended up doing everything except that thing? You open your notes, a notification appears, and you tell yourself you'll check it for just a second. But one message becomes another app, another tab, another video, and suddenly your original task is completely forgotten. Then you look at the clock and realize 20 minutes disappeared, even though you barely remember what you were doing. At that point, most people blame themselves. They think they're lazy, undisciplined, or simply incapable of focusing.
Know what?
But the problem isn't always that you can't focus. Your attention keeps getting interrupted before it has time to settle. Every time you switch tasks, your brain has to stop, reorient itself, and remember what it was doing before. So even when you sit at your desk for an hour, you may only get a few real minutes of focused work. The solution isn't to become perfectly disciplined overnight. Start by removing just one source of distraction. Put your phone somewhere you can't reach automatically. Not beside your hand. Not face down on the desk. Close every tab you don't need for the current task. Each open tab is another invitation to switch. Clear one small area in front of you. You don't need a perfect workspace. You only need less visual noise. Now choose one task, not your whole list, not 5 priorities. One clear action that can move forward. Don't say, work on the project. Say, write the opening paragraph. Or, finish the first slide. Set a timer for 10 minutes. You're not promising to finish everything. You're only protecting 10 focused minutes. During those 10 minutes, your brain may ask for your phone, another tab, or a different task. Let the urge pass. After a few uninterrupted minutes, the resistance usually becomes quieter, and the work starts feeling easier. 10 minutes can naturally become 20, because you're no longer forcing yourself to restart every few seconds. That's the system. Remove one distraction, choose one specific task, and protect the next 10 minutes. Focus isn't about controlling your entire day. It's about protecting the next moment. One clear move, then the next.